What up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, as you guys can see by that title and thumbnail, we are on site today. We're here at Ace Cafe in Orlando, Florida for BMW night. It's the first time we've had a BMW meet in a long time here in Orlando. So the turnout has been super good so far. I'm gonna walk around and show you a couple of cars and familiar faces. So thank you guys for clicking on this video. Make sure you hit that like button, that subscribe button, and stay tuned for future car content. And let's get into this one. Back on the channel, my fucking guys
out here
from the last video. You already know.
Of the century, man.
The man too famous over here. Every time we collab,
breaking records, man.
we're breaking records.
I'm breaking necks.
Hell yeah. But we are here at Ace Cafe Orlando. Like I was telling you guys just then, we haven't had an Orlando Beamer Club meet or any type of BMW meet since Invasion. So we're out here. We got the F80. It was cleaned up in fucking Florida.
Man, the rain
rained on us.
I'll bring the mobile unit real quick.
Yeah, so sadly, Caleb's detail job got rained on, but the cars still look clean, as you guys can see here.
Now you have an excuse to do all your Teslas washing.
Yeah. I'm gonna do one this weekend, yeah.
Do it.
But I'm gonna show you guys, the turnout is super fire so far. I'm gonna walk around, introduce you guys to some familiar faces, as well as some dope ass BMWs here. All right, starting off, we have Esteban's beautiful M2 competition with the BBS FIRs. What do you think?
Beautiful. All those wheels.
Then we got another familiar car over here. We just did a feature film on Towson's car not too long ago. Jonathan with the Studio RSR roll cage. Absolute beauty. Part of our OG Orlando crew. Also from the last video, our boy Shame M3, aka Ben, and his beautiful F80 competition. Make sure you guys follow them on YouTube and Instagram. We got my boy Ali, Swap Depot on YouTube, and Vehicle Virals Christian, also the homies. Beautiful, crazy build. Make sure you guys support them. You guys already know them. No introduction needed. The man, the myth, the legend right here. F80 Danny in the house.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, boy. Got a couple badass builds right here. M3 City, Caleb. Yes, another M4 straight track build. Bunch of F80s, F82s. We got the car F80 over here.
Secret sauce boys out
And Dr.
there.
M3.
You run into these guys, you're done. You're dead.
Fastest F80s in Orlando, probably. We got some familiar faces right here.
How are you?
We got the OG Orlando Beamer Club.
OG, bro. This guy is like the guy that brought me into the fucking
OG
community.
Orlando Beamer Club. Coming soon, baby.
Coming soon.
We got Mahir back on the channel.
What's up, boys? And
Last
girls?
time you guys saw him, what was Invasion?
Invasion, yes sir.
Beautiful. You guys know his car. Doesn't even need an introduction. Speed yellow G80 with the Borsteiner grills. And how do you pronounce the wheels? I can never pronounce it.
Edelweiss.
Edelweiss?
Yeah,
Edelweiss wheels. Absolutely sick.
Tire nipple, so you know he's not OG. Them gotta go.
We also got Miguel Beamer in the house. You already know who it is. Let's go. But yeah, we got a good turnout so far. Danny wants to go check out this 1M over here.
Right over there.
So let's go peep it at the PSI tent. The boys on the channel.
Who's doing that?
The boy.
Bro,
Absolute Domo. Thousands. It's my boy Absolute Domo's brand new Tanzanite Blue F80. Congrats to him. Got a couple badass E46s, Jamal's, also Shrug Media's E36. WTF Motorsports in the house. We have this beautiful 1M on some BBS. Super rare, obviously. Very unique at the PSI booth. What do you think?
That's just, I mean, this is a unicorn. You talk about unicorns, this is a unicorn.
For sure.
You do not see these cars ever. Especially a clean example like this.
You guys have seen PSI's G80 from the Invasion video and some in Nosatech pink wrap. Very unique. Got a badass M5 over here. A bunch of F30s. All murdered out. You already know I'm fucking with that. Great turnout. Oh, we got Jesse's E92, one of two in the world. Badass supercharger as well. My boy Robert.
Yo.
On the channel for the first time. We're gonna do a feature film on his car one day.
There M3.
Dare M3 on Instagram. Make sure you guys give him a follow. Give him a rundown real quick. What are we looking at here?
Ooh, cool things here.
New wheels.
Yeah, some GMR 3-piece wheels.
Robert is the guy we traded the LCI taillights with, the GTS ones. Damn, look at that camera too.
Hell yeah, bro. I'm running -5 in the front, -3 in the back. These are really aggressive specs.
Dude, they look insane. Hell yeah, dude. How you liking the bag so far?
Oh, I love it.
You think this car comes up and down?
It does.
Okay, good.
It's on air
It's-
suspension. Yeah, it's my car.
You go, guys. You ready?
With those taillights, boy.
That boy is slam, son. Tucking.
Yeah, bro.
And yeah, OG taillights right here.
Yeah, I love them.
They still look badass on your car, bro. It's all good.
Yeah.
All love. I told you guys, we're gonna be doing a feature film on his car one day.
Yeah.
He's a homie right here.
Hey, I love it.
Let's go, man.
This
Let's
thing is
go.
like the best thing ever. Oh.
Make sure you guys support my boy. Follow him on Instagram. This thing is stupid clean. But we'll get Rob on the channel soon.
For sure.
Matte Black Supra. Thing's beautiful. Yeah. I like that. Show you guys some more Beamers that pulled up. Crazy turnout so far. Got my boy here we went on a rally with back in October. He also goes to UCF. Beautiful Daytona Violet F80. One of the best colors out there. So sick. It's good to see a bunch of familiar people and faces that I haven't seen in a long time. Like this sexy mofo right here. I actually shouted you guys out in the last video.
That's
so
right.
make sure you guys follow
Boxception.
Shrug Media.
If you follow us, but you don't follow him, what are you doing?
Another black F80 pulled up. Absolutely insane. My boy Naldo with the clean black F80 with the yellow accents. This shit's hard. Make sure you guys follow him as well. Black Sap M3. His F80. Definitely my style. Super clean. Got a sick G82 right here. And then a beautiful Heritage Edition M4. You guys can see it here. But amazing turnout, as you guys can see at Ace Cafe. The Orlando Beamer scene is back in action. Hopefully we're gonna have some more meets in the future months to come, so stay tuned. We got the F80, was all cleaned up when Caleb came over last weekend and cleaned it up, but of course it's been raining every afternoon in Florida. But shout out to Caleb, always keeping the car clean, always making banger videos and banger posts on Instagram. Make sure you guys support the
We gotta do
boy.
more videos back to back, man.
Back to back to back, let's do it. We out here at Ace. I haven't been vlogging much, but I hope you guys enjoyed the B-roll in the beginning. I've just been catching up with a bunch of homies from Orlando that I haven't seen in a while. It's super good to catch up with them, see how they're doing, see their cars, talk BMW stuff. So it's been fire night. We got the homies right there. Super fire turnout. Everybody's kind of heading out, starting their engines. You guys can see we got Danny on the block, Camilla. But yeah, you guys see it. Beautiful night here in Orlando. Turned out to be a nice one. My boy Vehicle Virals, Swap Depot, in his gorgeous ass I forget the color, M5. Super unique. Me and him were chatting it up, talking about YouTube, how to progress the channel, what things to look out for. So shout out to Christian for the advice. And then you guys might know Swap Depot as well on YouTube. Ali, super dope build. We got Ben, Shame M3. You already know.
To be honest, it's sort of a flex when they hear you. Like, because
My boy Marty on the vlog. Let's go. What's good? We got that Silver Surfer M3. All the homies came out today. Super good to see people that you talk to on Instagram but haven't seen in a while. This is my boy Marty, his F80. He just got it. Came from the Infinity Life. Similar to Robert as well. Absolutely loving it. On them big ass carbon ceramics. Great turnout. Super fire night. My boy over here.
Hi.
It's good to see you, bro.
You as well, man.
Safe travels and
Thank you, bro.
one love, one love.
Bro,
Yeah.
I love what you did with the Murdered Outlaw.
Mellow Yellow. Make sure you guys follow my boy. We're gonna do a feature film on his car soon. Good to see you. Drive safe, yo. You already know. Hell yeah. Sounds fire, bro. Sounds good, yo.
Love your videos, man. Hey,
Yes, sir.
Ho,
You know.
best in the business.
You got it. Send me a link.
Yes, another M4. Shout out to my guy. Without him, the channel wouldn't be flourishing right now with the gimbal.
Dude, I support the cause.
You support the
I'm all about
cause.
supporting the
And
homies.
feature film with his car coming
Once I
very
clean my
soon.
car, once I clean it,
Facts.
has to be washed. Maybe I'm probably not gonna run because I don't have new axles. Dude, I love how you have the little fucking
$20 mod, bro. Fire.
bro.
My boy, Motor Gear TV,
Yeah.
back on the channel. Make sure you guys subscribe to him and his brother. Putting out amazing, dope BMW content and also bike content as well.
Shout out to my boy F80 Ho.
Let's go. What's next for the channel? Motor Gear TV.
More content, more builds.
More content, more builds. You already got 2 more cars on the way. Another bike. Let's go.
Top secrets. Absolutely.
Make sure you guys subscribe to my homies right here.
Absolutely. Make sure you guys check out F80. The build is amazing. The wheels, magnifique.
Dude, from what? Desertland to now? Look at us.
Big come up.
We big come up, baby.
Almost at that 5K.
Let's go. Shout out to my boys right here. Coming all the way out from what? Melbourne? Daytona?
Daytona, sir.
Daytona. Coming out from Daytona. It's good to see people that you see on YouTube or Instagram and haven't seen in a long time. Talk cars, talk BMWs. Make sure you guys subscribe to my brothers right here. We out. My boy, Christian, Vehicle Virals. We
Damn, you
leaving.
got me, man.
Baby.
This is water.
Later, brother.
a good
We talk business, but we'll probably see him on the channel hopefully soon.
Hey, bro, if you can come to the shop, man, we'll collab, get some video footage of the F80, man, and do some work to make it more reliable, you know?
Exactly. I've already been talking to Ali about it, so we're in the works, baby. It's good to see you.
All right, brother.
Golden, yeah.
Yeah, we can fit just about 200 cars in here easily, between here and the turf. So, I mean, that's where...
Realistically, if I'm not here, you guys are taking over.
We're holding it down. But for the people, is there any other events coming up this summer that they should know about? Invasion, Orlando Beamer Club.
So we are partnering on some events with Clean Culture. We're gonna have Daytona June 25th.
Yep.
Then I'm gonna have an E90M specific or E90XM specific event in Delray.
Which you've had before, right? You've had before?
I've had that before, so this is our 3rd year doing it.
Nice.
We're gonna have also, I have something, it's called Euro Takeover.
True.
And that's BMW, Mercedes, Audi, all Euros. We're gonna be driving from Orlando, a big group driving from Orlando to Sarasota.
Oh, shit.
They have a DME facility there, it's amazing. Food trucks.
Hell yeah.
That's gonna be a really nice drive. A lot of guys have it front on the drives.
Hell yeah.
So that's gonna be July 10th, it's on a Sunday.
Nice.
So,
You heard it here first.
yeah.
Let's
And then
go.
of course, BMW Invasion has a home
Yes,
in
sir.
Orlando, February 19th.
Let's go.
2023, everyone's already prepping. We're gonna have twice as many vendors, so this is gonna be.
You heard it here first.
It's gonna be ridiculous.
Let's go.
ridiculous.
Good shit, bro. We can't
stay
wait.
tuned for that. You're gonna have a lot of fun on that one.
Hell yeah, we can't wait. Thank you, Miguel.
Start changing your car. If it
Start
was
buying
the
wheels.
same car you had last year, change it up for this year.
Facts.
And once
Let's
again,
go.
if you won a trophy last year, your entry is free.
Nice.
So,
Oh, wow.
stay tuned
Good
for that.
shit.
Famous.
My boy, Swap Depot, Ali. What do you gotta tell the people? We're gonna collab soon, right? Hopefully this summer.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Just gotta see.
My Asian brother from another. We'll see.
Just gotta see.
Make sure you guys follow my boy Ali.
Yeah.
Swap Depot on YouTube. Let's get it. Alright YouTube, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the footage of BMW night. Like I said a couple times in this video, it was so good to see a lot of familiar faces, people from IG that you talk to all the time, a lot of the local guys. It was good to see them again. Hopefully we have some more events coming soon so I can capture that for you guys, but I had a blast. It was such a good night, such a good turnout. It was the first time a lot of people saw my new look, my new wheels, new tips in person, and I got a lot of good feedback, so shout out to the homies if you're watching. I also want to thank you guys if you made it this far to the video. Your boy hit 5K subscribers. Let's freaking go. My boy Kirk and Mark Moto Gear TV were joking about it in this video, and then literally the next day I looked on my phone and Mark sent me a screenshot and it was literally 5K in the morning. So huge milestone accomplished. It's just a number to me. I'm just gonna keep grinding, putting out content for you guys. So do me a favor and drop a like and subscribe if you appreciate that. We're shooting for 10K next. Sky's the limit. Let's go. We're also gonna be doing a giveaway, which I'll make a separate video about with Simply Carbon Fiber. So shout out to them. Stay tuned for that. We got more videos planned this week. So we'll see you on the next one. Take care. Peace.